Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we are going to be looking at the best piggy bank in Nigeria today, which you can actually use to save and invest your money for future purpose. And probably you have some money you don't want to use, and definitely you don't want to misspend the money. So these are the piggy banks you can actually use to save that money. And also you might actually have some money with you which you like to save for future purpose. So with these best piggy banks are what you can actually use to save your money the best way and without you be able to spend that particular money. So in this video I'm gonna review with you the best piggy bank in Nigeria today, which you can actually use to save and invest your money in Nigeria today. The number one app we are going to be looking at is Plenty Cash, which is one of the best safe and instant loan apps in Nigeria today. And this app actually have a lot of features which you can actually benefit from it, and you can also borrow and request for a loan for up to like 200,000 naira with this Plenty Cash app. And also you have option to save your money with this particular app once you register and drop in all your information which they actually ask from you. And also your ID card is actually required for future purpose and to make sure you have all the rights to operate your account anywhere you are in the whole world. And also you can deposit and request for a loan for up to like 100,000 naira using this app as a first user of this app. You can also check on the about page for this particular app, so you can see everything in details and how this app actually works. This app already have over 100,000 people that have downloaded this app, both people that use this app to save and request for a loan, or people that just download the app without using it. So that is overall people that have actually downloaded this app. So you can also see the overall rating is 4.5, and the over people that actually reviewed this app is over 2,000. So you see that it's 100,000 that people that have downloaded this app. So this app is very easy to use and can actually use it to save and keep your money for future purpose. Number two app we'll be reviewing in this video is Piggy Bank. I noticed probably you might have heard about Piggy Bank, but you literally don't know how Piggy Bank actually works. So you can use Piggy Bank to save money and also use it to request for a loan as well. And Piggy Bank have lots of features, and I mean lots of features which you can actually benefit from this particular app. And with Piggy Bank you can also invest your money, and you could also safe lock your money, and as well as investing in dollars. I've made different kind of videos on how Piggy Bank actually works and how you can actually invest your money with Piggy Bank. So you can also find the app from Google Play Store and then see about how it actually works. You can also see the page I'm in right now. So if you actually want to invest your money in different kind of business or investment, you can use Piggy Bank today, and then you will be able to choose any features that actually works for you. This app already have over 40,000 people that have reviewed the app, and then the overall rating is 4.1, and the total download is over 1 million. So you can see people are literally using this app, and this app is already topping in the finance niche. So you can also check on the about page to see how the app actually works. Then you'll be able to understand what you'll be able to get from this particular app. You can find out the app from Google Play Store today, and then you'll be able to see more details about this particular app. Then you'll be able to decide if you actually want to go with Piggy Bank instead of other, which I'm going to review to you in this video. Another newly launched piggy bank in Nigeria is Piggy Bank, which is Saving Go Tackle. And if you actually find it so difficult to achieve your goal while you're trying to save. So this Piggy Bank app will definitely help you. You can see different kind of features which this app actually have. And if you are looking out to buy a laptop, a bike, or travel, then you are trying to find the best way to save money for all of this. So this app will definitely help you, where you scale out and you plan how you actually want to save your money, probably on a daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly or yearly basis. So this app will definitely help you to plan everything the right way, and you'll be able to achieve your goal. You can also find the app from Google Play Store, and also find the link to download this app if you can't find it on Google Play Store. So check the description below so you can see the direct link to download Piggy Bank app from Google Play Store, and then you'll be able to have access to different kind of features which you can actually get from this particular app. You can also check on the review to see what people are actually saying about this particular app, then you'll be able to decide if this app will work for you or not. This app already have over 50,000 people that have downloaded it, both people that have used this app to save money or not, or those people that just downloaded this app. The app already have less than 1,000 reviews, and then the overall rating is 4.1. And you can also scroll down below to see what people are actually saying about this app. Then you'll be able to decide if this app will work for you for your own goal or not. Then you can decide from there and choose the one that actually best work for what you actually need it for. Another newly launched piggy bank in Nigeria today is Saving Goals. So Saving Goals is another piggy bank apps you can actually use to borrow or to save money and then invest for future purpose. This app is newly launched and it has over 10,000 people that have downloaded this app. You can also save and invest your money in dollars currency. You can see here, and you'll be able to have access to track and analyze your goal progress and see if you are able to meet up on a yearly or a monthly basis. And if you want to save for a car, to travel, for smartwatch, laptop, or for any kind of savings you're actually looking out to do, so this app will definitely help you. The smartest way to save money in Nigeria today. And also don't forget, you can also save in dollars using Nigerian currency, and you'll be able to withdraw your money through dollar currency. And this app is very new, like I said, it's very new, and you can go through the description and see how the app actually works, see the about page and see what people are actually saying about this particular app. Then you'll be able to decide if this app is. The last but not the least in this video is Cowrywise. Cowrywise is another app you can use to save and invest your money for future purpose. This app have lots of features just like Piggy Bank. I've made video about these two apps back then, and then I feel like I have to add them in this video as well, because they are actually a good app which you can actually use to save money in Nigeria today, and they are literally trending. As you can see, this app already have over 22,000 people that review this app, and the overall rating is 4.3, and the total download is over 500,000, and this is lesser than Piggy Bank. Piggy Bank have over 1 million people that have downloaded this app, and you can see different kind of features from this app. Also, you can use Cowrywise to borrow a loan, to save money, to invest money, and to pay some bills which you actually want to pay from your end. So this app have a lot of features, and you can also invest in different kind of business using this particular app. So it have a lot of features, as I said. And also you can check on the about page to see the more information about this particular app. Then you'll be able to decide if this app is best for you, if you should choose this and not other ones which I've mentioned in this video. So with this listed app, they are the best piggy bank in Nigeria you can actually use to save, invest in Nigeria, and also some of them you can actually use them to borrow a loan with ease and very low interest rate. So these are the apps that I actually have for you in this video on how and best piggy bank app in Nigeria today, and you can just find them and try any one of them that you feel like it will definitely work for you, for your need, and then you can proceed from there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also drop a comment if you feel anything that you feel like I have to increase or improve in this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.